Hey everyone, this is Mike from TechHog.com again, and today we're going to be doing a follow-up review, or a second review, of the app called Zapd. That's Z-A-P-D, and the reason we're going to be doing this is there's been a lot of changes in the app that you may have not have seen since the beginning. A lot of requested features have been added, and we've been contacted by the CEO, Kelly Smith, to kind of maybe bring you guys up to date about what the app does have. For those of you who are not familiar with the app is basically a microblogging tool for your iPhone and soon to be Android OS, but right now it's only on iOS, and it allows you to make really nice, crisp, clean websites that you can make right on your website, or I'm sorry, right on your iPhone in about 60 seconds or less, and put them right up on the internet, and you can send them invites and emails right from the app. So let's go ahead and get into the app here, and we'll do a little quick run through here. So as you see, you have your profile, and you have your create your first Zap. Profile, I just put my name, website, and you can fill in more information if you want to put your address and phone number and things in. But for right now, let's go ahead and it says we're at create our new Zap. And here's your themes. You have, I don't think they've really added any new themes, but you can kind of get an idea for like what they have, from world travel to metropolitan, clean, poster art, very clean, nice, very graphically designed templates. Like I said, everything from babies to newborns, modern. So we'll tell you what, we'll just pick this one here, and we'll just give it a name. We'll just call it Tech Hog. There we go. Hit done. And now this is where you can kind of come in and add your text. You can add your photographs. You can put links in. But we'll just go ahead and do photographs for now. And then if you want to go to your library, you can do that. You can go to your camera roll. And I just took some pictures before we started this just to kind of grab some stuff. So a little micro SD card reader, so we'll choose that. And whenever you upload a new photograph, it gives you the ability to put a caption in. So we'll just put in micro SD. Okay, I'm going to hit done. So there's your first one, and you can come back in, and we'll do this again 2 more times. We'll just skip over the captions there. I think right here we have a Bluetooth headset. We're done. And then we'll go ahead and add another one. It just gives it a little bit more of a complete feel when you guys are looking at it. So I think it's a plug for a Nintendo DS charger or something. Okay, so there you are. You have your 3 images, and like I said, you can kind of come in here and put text, and you can put whatever you want your heading to be called. We'll call this small electronics. Okay, and body, you can just put cool stuff. Now, in the body copy is where you can kind of go in and almost write a blog if you wanted to. You can write an entire story, paragraphs, detail, and whatever the pictures and the things that you're actually adding. But for the purpose of this, we'll just go ahead and shorten it up a little bit. And so that's pretty much it. There's your text, and like I said, you can come in and put links if you want to put body copy and links in. But we're going to kind of skip over that for right now. Under the settings, this is some of the new stuff that they've added. You'll notice where it says address. Once you've actually published your site, you can actually come back in and give it a customized URL, which is what they didn't have before. Randomly, it would give you numbers of ZP391. It would give you some kind of random generated code, which would make it hard to remember and go from there. So now you can actually give it something like a name, and it'll do a search, and if that name is available, it'll give it to you. Up here are some options that you have. You have your show profile and sidebar, show comments. Again, comments is actually a new added feature as well. Much like a regular blog, people can actually see your photographs or your stories and actually leave comments back and forth. And here's the option for whatever new post that you have, you can have them go straight to the top. So we'll go ahead and publish this. And if you wanted to, you can put a message here. You can actually keep it private if you wish to. You can post it to Facebook, you can tweet about it, and you can actually email it to friends and family. And there it is. Now, if you look close, I don't know if you can kind of see that or not, up here at the top, you can see where it's 3skx.zap.co. That would be the address that you would have to go and find the site. But right now we're actually going to come in here where it says address, and we're going to call this one, let's see, TechHog. We'll do a little search, and we're going to get techhog.zapt.net, and we'll select that. And as you can see right there, I'm not sure if you can hopefully see that or not, right there it gives us the domain name. Now if we tap that, we can preview what our site will look like. And it doesn't look like it's up yet. Oh, sorry, I got to go back and publish it. Oh. Let's go back to the app, republish it under the new domain name, and there we go. And that quickly, it's up, it's updated. Your photographs would be in there as well, and then boom, there you go. TechHog at the top, micro SD puts the little image across the bottom. There's your Bluetooth, and then here you go. Small electronics, cool stuff. If you wanted to hit your profile, you could tap that. Mike TechHog gives you a link. You know, if anybody wanted to go to the comments or leave a comment, you know, it would show up there at the bottom. You could actually click on that. You know, here, view as a full site. Now, view as a full site, it changes the layout a little bit, or the layout. You'll see how your name and profile information shows up over here. It puts the name of the site there. And again, if you had a name for each photo, it would put them across the bottom, so it lays it out, you know, pretty much the same. It actually gives you the ability to sign in, leave comments, and actually have like a little avatar there at the bottom. So overall, that's pretty much it. I mean, they've added some really nice features to it. It runs a little bit smoother. Like I said, the additions of comments and custom URLs is a big deal. Now you don't have to worry about trying to remember that or write it down. So as long as you can remember whatever name you give it, it's .zap.net, and boom, you're off and running. So again, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a really clean, crisp app from the guys at Zapd, and I highly suggest you guys check it out. And so that's it. My name's Mike. This is for TechHog Reviews, and I hope to see you guys again next time.